Did you know that native bees are responsible for pollinating over 70% of the plants we rely on for food? Creating a habitat for them in your garden can make a huge difference for local ecosystems. Imagine your garden bursting with life, buzzing with countless native bees, and overflowing with vibrant flowers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're making it a reality. We're showing you how to create a haven for native bees right in your own backyard, supporting pollinators and biodiversity. But here's the shocker, you can help save the planet, one flower at a time. Did you know that native bees are often more efficient pollinators than honeybees? Stick around, because we're about to transform your garden into a buzzing paradise. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of native bee habitats. We'll be covering everything from choosing the right plants to building bee hotels, so you can create a thriving ecosystem in your garden. So, grab your gardening gloves and your bee-loving spirit, and let's get started. First, let's talk about native bees. Unlike honeybees, which are introduced species, native bees are indigenous to your region. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and they play a crucial role in pollinating our native plants and crops. Did you know that some native bees are specialists, meaning they only pollinate specific types of flowers? This makes them essential for biodiversity. Pollination is essential for plant reproduction, and native bees are highly efficient pollinators. They help ensure the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds, which are vital for both humans and wildlife. Unfortunately, native bee populations are declining due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. That's why it's more important than ever to create bee-friendly habitats in our gardens. Now, let's talk about plants. Native bees prefer native plants, as they have evolved together over time. Choose a variety of flowering plants that bloom at different times of the year, providing a continuous source of nectar and pollen. Wildflowers like coneflowers, asters, and goldenrods are excellent choices. Herbs like lavender, rosemary, and thyme are also popular with bees. Did you know that planting flowers in clusters makes it easier for bees to find them? It is like a bee superhighway. Avoid using pesticides, as they can harm bees and other pollinators. Choose plants with single flowers, as double flowers often lack nectar and pollen. Provide a source of water, such as a shallow dish with stones, for bees to drink from. Many native bees are solitary nesters, meaning they don't live in hives. They nest in tunnels in wood, stems, or soil. You can provide nesting sites by building bee hotels. Use natural materials, such as untreated wood blocks, bamboo canes, and hollow stems. Drill holes of different sizes in the wood blocks, and bundle the bamboo canes and hollow stems together. Did you know that you can use recycled materials to build a bee hotel? It is a great way to reduce waste and help the bees. Leave patches of bare soil in your garden, as some native bees nest in the ground. Provide piles of leaves and twigs for nesting materials. And remember, avoid disturbing nesting sites, especially during the nesting season. Maintaining your bee habitat is easy. Avoid using herbicides and fungicides, as they can harm bees and other beneficial insects. Mulch your plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. And don't forget to deadhead flowers to encourage more blooms. Did you know that creating a native bee habitat can also benefit other wildlife, such as birds and butterflies? It is all connected. Support biodiversity by planting a variety of native plants and creating diverse habitats in your garden. Educate your friends and neighbors about the importance of native bees and how to create bee-friendly gardens. Creating a native bee habitat is a rewarding and enriching experience. It connects us to nature and helps protect our precious pollinators. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your bee-friendly garden today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more gardening tips and wildlife adventures. And don't forget to share your own bee-friendly gardening experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening and beekeeping.